Okay, got our 2010 Ford Explorer here, and the car is jacked up on the lower control arms, blocks under there. Did a ball joint test, and the ball joints seem to be tight. We're getting a little grinding, grumbling sound when we make a right turn. When we kind of jerk the steering wheel to the right, which I guess makes the car weight of the car go on to the driver's side, to the left side. And when it's going straight, it's a little grumble sound. But so the thing, I can't, the ball joints are fine. But when I put this piece of wood here, piece of 2x4 under the wheel, not sure if you can hear that. The other side does not do that. Maybe I'll try and get closer here. It's making a little got the phone right on the wheel. Not sure what that is. Something's a little loose. The bearings seem to be fine. The wheel does not move up or down. I try and shake it, grabbing a tire top to bottom. So the bearings seem to be fine. I checked the half shaft there, the CV joint shaft, and it's not loose. It doesn't have play. I can't find anything that has play. I put the car in gear. You know, it's all jacked up here. It's on blocks and front and back there, and it's just it sounds fine when the car's up in the air, but you hear a little grumble when it goes straight, and when you make a right turn, it makes a little more grumble. It's a little, it sounds like could be a bearing worn out thing, but I don't see any indication of the bearings worn out here doing a test putting that piece of wood under the wheel. Anybody have any comments for me? I'd really appreciate it. Thank you.